Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing Chrome and choosing your live wallpaper source. Verify Chrome is updated so animations run smoothly, then pick an extension or PWA. Each behaves differently. Once done, enable background apps and any media permissions. This prevents the wallpaper from pausing. You're not installing yet. You're aligning settings so installation is clean, which speeds setup and avoids permission prompts later. Make sure syncing is off if you want local-only settings versus cloud profiles. You now install and configure the live wallpaper. Add the extension or PWA, then accept the specific permissions it requests so tiles and animations can render. Once installed, open its options or settings page and pick resolution, loop speed, and whether audio plays. These choices balance visuals against CPU and battery. If available, enable battery saver or reduced frame rate for laptops. Remember to set the wallpaper scope, new tab only or desktop overlay, so Chrome knows where to display it. You finish by applying and testing the wallpaper so you confirm it behaves as expected. Open a new tab or refresh any overlay to view motion and timing. Adjust settings if playback is choppy. If performance suffers, lower resolution, reduce frames per second, or close GPU-heavy tabs. Make sure hardware acceleration is on if available, otherwise toggle it to see which works better. If it fails to load, disable then re-enable the extension, or clear its site data. This resolves most common stalls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.